ready to turn that Amazon gift card into your next Steam gaming adventure. Unfortunately, you can't directly use an Amazon gift card to add funds to your Steam wallet, but don't worry, there's a super simple workaround. We're going to use that Amazon gift card to buy a Steam gift card on Amazon itself. First, head over to Amazon and search for Steam gift card. Make sure you're buying a digital gift card and choose the amount you want to add to your Steam wallet. Select the gift card that matches your budget and gaming needs. Add the Steam gift card to your cart and proceed to checkout on the payment page. Apply your Amazon gift card balance. If your gift card doesn't fully cover the amount, you can use another payment method for the remaining balance. Once the purchase is complete, Amazon will send you an email containing the Steam gift card code. This usually arrives within minutes, so keep an eye on your inbox. Now, fire up your Steam client and log in. Click on Add Funds to your Steam wallet. The redeem codes are located on the upper right-hand corner of your Steam interface. On the next page, you will see Steam wallet code. Enter the Steam gift card code you received from Amazon. Double-check that you've entered the code correctly, then click Continue. Bam! Your Steam wallet balance will be updated instantly with the funds from the gift card. You're now ready to browse the Steam store and grab those games you've been eyeing. So, while you can't use your Amazon gift card directly, this workaround lets you easily convert it into Steam credit. Happy gaming!